In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the site history on Wix. This is a simple yet invaluable feature that allows you to track changes, revert to previous versions, and maintain the integrity of your website. Whether you're managing multiple sites or just one, knowing how to access your site's history is essential. So let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. First, start by navigating to wix.com using your preferred web browser. Once you're on the Wix homepage, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Enter your credentials and you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is where you manage all your Wix sites. Next, identify the website whose history you want to view. In your dashboard, you'll see a list of the sites you manage. Click on the particular site that you're interested in. This action will take you to the site's specific dashboard, home to various management and customization options. Once you're on your site's dashboard, direct your attention to the settings menu. You can locate this by looking towards the bottom of the left-hand menu. Click on Settings to access the wider range of management tools available within Wix. After you've opened the settings, the next step is to scroll through and find Site, Domain, and SEO. Click on this option, which will guide you into the specifics of your site's configuration settings. Keep scrolling down until you come to Website Settings, which you should also click. From here, you'll see the option for Site History. Navigate to this part of the menu and click through to access the full history of site changes and edits. When you're in the site history, you'll notice the option labeled Restore Versions. Click on it to have a comprehensive view of all recorded versions of your site. In the Site History view, you can see various saved versions lined up with corresponding timestamps. This feature is immensely useful if you ever need to revert changes or if you want to analyze how your site has evolved over time. If you find a specific version you're interested in, go ahead and select that review. Hover over the version and click on it to open up more detailed options. If you decide that you want to revert to this specific version, click on Restore to return to that particular site iteration. Upon selecting Restore, Wix will display a prompt asking, "Restore this version." To proceed with reverting your site, simply click Restore again to confirm your action. After this, Wix offers a quick option to either stay on the page or go directly into editing your site. That's all you need to do. You've successfully accessed and viewed your site's history on Wix. With this knowledge, you can ensure that you have the flexibility and control needed to manage your website efficiently.